Business Suite is an intuitive customer management system that organizes all client information in one place. It allows users to view customer contact details, track interactions, and effortlessly manage activity logs. When you open a customer profile, you will see the summary, previous interactions, invoices, quotes, files, transactions, emails, and more. You can also generate a URL to log in as a customer. You can record all client interactions in the Activity tab. Every interaction builds your relationship with the client, and having detailed records means you and your team can provide personalized service at every step. In the Email tab, you can send messages directly to your clients. Just enter a subject, type your message, and hit the send. In the Files tab, you can assign files for download that your customers can access and download from the customer portal. You can also turn sharing on or off. The Invoices tab contains a summary of invoices and a quick overview of the payment status.